Hi guys, welcome to How to Maximize. In this video, I will show you how to recover lost streaks on Snapchat. First, open the Snapchat app on your phone. Go to your profile from the top left. Tap to open Settings from top right. Scroll down and click on I lost my Snap streak. Then click on How do I restore my Snap streak? Give it a read, then go back. This time, click on I'm having trouble restoring my Snap streak. Read this and close. Repeat the same for the third one. Under the support section, go to I have a privacy question. Here, mark the request, I lost my Snap streak and how do I restore my Snap streak? And that's all. Thanks for watching and please leave a like, subscribe and share.